Welcome back to Crazy Grillin', and today we're going to show you how to cook 2 great ribeyes for Valentine's Day. I think it's something that'd be really good to cook for the one you love or the one you don't love. It doesn't matter, but that's what we're going to do. So let's get to it. Remember to hit that subscribe button and let's get cooking.
Watch me as I go. Should I look both ways before you cross me, baby? 'Cause I don't break for boys. I'm moving on.
All right, we just got the steaks on the grill. The grill grates are about 600 degrees and it is searing them. And we're gonna let them sit for about 3 minutes until we get there and turn them about 45 degrees. Alright, now we're going to spend about 3 minutes. We're going to just give it a turn here. Get those nice grill lines. Look at that. Woo, doggy. Alright. We're going to brush this with a little melted butter. Give it that nice, ooh, look at that. That looked good. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and give it that rotation. These are looking awesome. This is going to be great for Valentine's Day. I'm just going to check the temperature real quick. Getting close. Like I said, we want to get that at about 120, 125. Alright, we're going to... it's looking good. So I'll turn this side down. This is going to be our cool side because this one is a little bit thinner and it's cooking a little bit faster. We're at about 118 on this one, so we're not turning the heat all the way off on this side, but we have lowered the temperature. We're just going to let that one go and keep this one up at temperature. Let's turn that one over. That looks good. Add a little bit more butter on this side. I know your mouth is watering over this unbelievable looking steak. Check it one more time. That's on the end there. I always want to try and get it down there towards the center. Yeah, that looks good. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to move this one over here as well. I would say they are just about done. Alright, they are looking so good. Look at that. Got a nice crust on the outside. That is awesome. Okay. That's good. Alright, we are ready to test it out. Let's take a look at this. Look at this. Look how juicy that looks. Come in any close here and take a look at this. Alright, let's take a look. We've let it rest for about 10 minutes. Oh my. Let's see how this is. Let's see how this tastes. That is incredible. All I can say is whoever you're with on Valentine's Day, if you cook this for them, they are going to love it.